Living in the Philippines is amazing, but let's be real, our weather can be tough on our homes. The intense sun, heavy rains, and constant humidity mean you can't just slap any old paint on your walls. So, what's the secret to a paint job that actually lasts? Let's break it down. For the outside of your house, you're fighting a battle against the elements. You need a paint that's like a superhero suit. Look for high UV resistance to prevent that sad, faded, chalky look. Excellent water resistance is a must to handle our downpours without blistering or peeling. And super important, it needs to be resistant to mold and mildew, especially for those shady, damp walls that never seem to dry out. A great feature to look for is elastomeric paint. This means it's as flexible and can cover up those tiny hairline cracks that appear on concrete walls over time, preventing water from seeping in. They are built to be waterproof and flexible, exactly what your exterior walls need. Now, for the inside. While you don't need the same level of weatherproofing, you still need to be smart. The biggest enemies indoors are moisture and daily life. So, you'll want a paint that's mold and mildew resistant, especially for your bathrooms and kitchen. Good washability is also key, so you can easily wipe off scuffs and dirt without ruining the finish. Look for water-based latex paints with a low VOC label. VOC stands for volatile organic compounds, and low VOC paints mean fewer funky smells and a healthier indoor environment for your family. It comes in different finishes, like flat for a nice non-shiny look in living rooms, or semi-gloss for areas that need more frequent cleaning. So, here's my recommendation. For your exterior, invest in a quality 100% acrylic or elastomeric paint. Don't be afraid to go for lighter colors like off-white or light gray. They reflect heat and can actually help keep your house cooler. For the interior, a good quality, low VOC, water-based latex paint is your best bet. But listen, the best paint in the world will fail if the surface isn't prepped right. Make sure your walls are clean, dry, and that any cracks are sealed before you even open a can of paint. Proper preparation is the true secret to a paint job that looks amazing and lasts for years. I hope this helps you choose the right paint for your beautiful Filipino home. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching.